Tell me once my screen is visible. PPT is visible.
Yes, it's visual.
Okay. We have
Yeah.
already finished unit 1 and 2. We'll be proceeding with unit number 3. Okay, in unit number 3, we talk about shopping, prices, how to talk about things. Okay, here the name of the unit is how much is it? How much is it? What do we mean by how much is it?
How much is it? Means ये कितना है?
ये कितने का है?
ये कितने का है? How much is it?
How much usually हम price के लिए use करते हैं, right?
Yeah.
So how much
Yes.
is it? Yeah. Now here the first thing that we have on the screen is the different colors that we talk about. Now we know that whenever we talk about clothing, whenever we talk about shopping, we use a lot of colors, the words which are used for colors, correct? So I want you to read the colors with the adjectives which are given one by one.
Okay. So I'll start with clockwise. So I'll
Hmm.
start with from yellow.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Yellow, happy.
Mm-hmm.
Orange, fun.
Mm-hmm.
Red, exciting. Pink, loving. Purple, mysterious.
Mm-hmm.
Brown, friendly. Black, sad. Gray, boring.
Mm-hmm.
White, pure. Blue, truthful. Green, uh,
Jealous.
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 Yeah.
कोई जब हमसे जलता है हम बोलते हैं ना हम
हाँ हाँ,
jealous है मेरे से.
ईर्ष्यालु.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that jealous we are talking about over here. Now, do you know the meaning of all the adjectives which are given?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yes. But let me just confirm it
Sure.
from your side. Again, I'll start from yellow. Happy,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
खुश,
Correct.
joy, fun.
Hmm.
Whenever we do some masti,
Hmm.
that is called fun.
Correct.
Exciting. When we got some news and we have to show our expression,
Hmm.
खुश हो जाते हैं. तो that is exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Loving, yeah, very normal.
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
Hmm.
Purple, mysterious.
Hmm.
मतलब in Hindi I can say रहस्यपूर्ण.
Very good.
Right?
Hmm.
Brown, friendly,
Mm-hmm.
मित्रतापूर्वक या
Mm-hmm.
मित्रता है इसे. Black
Yeah.
means
Mm-hmm.
sad, उदास.
Hmm.
Grey, boring. We know कि boring, मन नहीं लगना, कुछ बिना मतलब टाइम पास हो रहा है, बोर हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Right. White, pure means pure means pure hearted, मतलब
Yeah. Got it. Hmm.
अच्छा बंदा है, प्योर
Hmm.
है, शुद्ध है.
हाँ.
ब्लू, ट्रूथफुल means सच्चाई पूर्ण.
Hmm.
एंड ग्रीन का तो मैंने पहले ही बता दिया था.
जलन, हाँ, जलन
जलन,
की.
ईर्ष्या.
Hmm. Okay, very good.
इंग्लिश का हिंदी बता दिया, मेरे को इंग्लिश को इंग्लिश में ही बताना था, राइट.
No, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. You understood the meaning. That's important.
या.
Usually, mysterious is a difficult word, I would say, and jealous is again a very difficult word. Now, uh, if you see the adjectives which are given on the screen, some of them are positive and some of them are negative. They have basically positive connotation to them and negative connotation to them. For example, when you say happy, it has a positive connotation, correct? But when you say
Right.
sad or boring, it has negative connotation. So same way, I want you to tell me which other words are positive and negative according to you.
Okay. Like I am very good or I am good.
Mm-hmm.
That is positive.
Hmm. So the words which are given on the screen, particularly over here right now, yeah, which are positive and which are negative.
Okay, okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm.
So positive or happy. Okay. So first I'll say positive.
Mm-hmm.
In positive category, first one is happy, fun, exciting, loving,
Hmm.
friendly, and truthful.
Okay.
These are
Mm-hmm.
positive. In negative, it will be mysterious,
Mm-hmm.
sad, boring, and jealous.
Okay, mysterious. I wouldn't say it's positive. It would be neutral.
No, no, no.
Sometimes,
I said negative.
nee, nee,
Okay,
yeah, yeah,
sorry.
yeah. I wouldn't say positive or negative as such. According to me, it is neutral. Okay. Sometimes, as a person, if you're mysterious, it's good also. That when
Right.
we talk from
Surprise.
work perspective, other person should not know everything about you. Say example, your boss knows, for example, your colleague knows that whenever you're putting in sick leave, you're not actually sick, you are going out
Right.
for some other reason.
Right.
So it's not a good thing, right? It's according to me
Right.
again. But when we talk about close people or something which is, when we say, okay, ocean is very mysterious or space is very mysterious, it's not good over there, correct? So again,
Right.
that's why I say it's neutral. I wouldn't say it's good or bad as such. Yeah,
Correct.
according to me at least. Yeah, as a
Yes.
person, you should be mysterious. That's what I feel. Other person should not know everything about you. I learned it the hard way. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, I was a very open person first, but yeah, I have changed recently. Okay.
चीजों को छिपाना जरूरी है.
हाँ कुछ चीज़ों को yes. You can't be an open book. It's not good in long term. Yeah, when people know your secrets, they can use it against you as a weapon also. So yeah.
राइट राइट. ये सही चीज है.
Yep, yep. Okay. Next, what meanings do these colors have for you? जो screen पे आप colors देख रहे हो, what meanings do these colors have for you?
है फॉर मी.
Hmm. So, for
ओके.
example, when you see pink or when you see orange, what do you feel?
ओके. सो two thing we can discuss, like if I'll go with very normal thing, color coding for cloth, right, wearing
Hmm.
weekdays. So like I'll start with white.
Mhm.
So if I'll give like what to wear on Monday,
Hmm.
then I'll go with white. White is a symbol of peace, right?
Mhm.
But what I see, if I see white,
Mhm.
lots of what I can say, चमक आ जाती है ना, brightness,
Mhm.
more brightness when I
Okay.
see white.
Okay.
Same goes for yellow. Yellow is also similar to white, right?
Okay.
Uh, for me. But again, if I'll go in color coding, then
Mhm.
I'll say on Thursday, because this is Lord Vishnu's day, so I have to wear yellow, something like that.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Then orange. If I say orange,
Mhm.
whenever I see orange, the Bhagavad thing always comes into my mind when in our society only, when Ganesh Puja was there.
Mhm.
I think that whole tasa was in our podium, and all podium was full of orange, right?
Mhm.
So that is the orange. Red is danger. Whenever I see something in red,
Mhm.
it is kind of like, yeah, maybe there is danger. If I'll cross it, maybe it will harm me,
Mhm.
or I will get affected by after this, or by seeing this type of red. Pink, again, I'm not biased, but
Mhm.
pink is for Friday, or like colorful thing like flower.
Mhm.
If I see pink, it's that thing. Purple, uh, for what purple I see?
Mhm.
I'll come later on. Purple.
Okay.
I'll go for brown. Brown, whenever I see brown, normally I see in chocolate or something else,
Mhm.
right? And brown is more sophisticated, I can say.
Okay.
Gray or brown, gray and brown, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
So anyway, I'm very weak in color.
That's fine.
Then,
Yeah.
yeah, but I'm just expressing myself.
Yeah.
Black is, yes. It's whenever black means you are blocked, kind of, because this is black. So and also in science also we know black will absorb it, right? There are two to three things. And if I'll go for color coding of cloth, like I said, for
Mm-hmm.
weekdays, then I'll say on Saturday we have to wear black for
Okay.
Lord Service, like that. And
Mm-hmm.
already I say like gray and brown. Both I seems in same way, sophisticated chocolates and very decent. I can say for gray,
Mm-hmm.
like car's color is gray. Normally, if if nothing is there, I'll go with gray. If
Okay.
red is not there, I'll go with gray.
Mm-hmm.
Blue, yeah. When I see blue, first I remember sky,
Mm-hmm.
okay, water, and blue is good, good sign. Green, again, um, whenever we see green, green is for positiveness or kind of signal for go ahead. If I'll say for traffic thing, then green is for yes. Now
Mm-hmm.
coming back to purple. Purple when I see not color,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, like in traveling also there is one travel company called Purple, and
Correct. Mm-hmm.
purple comes from I'm not recollecting, but yeah, you can help me for purple. Yeah, but purple is also good color in terms of like orange. Whenever
Okay.
we have to see the orange, we can also compare with purple.
Okay.
Exact, I can't say for
Okay. If
purple.
you ask me about purple color, I can only think about two things. One is BTS, and the second is, of course, Jupiter. because my
Okay.
because both of my best friends have like purple color Jupiter. So yes,
Oh,
Jupiter. Two wheeler. I'm talking about scooty. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. अच्छा, मैं वो सोचा ही नहीं. Okay. I was just going for weekdays and all. Purple
Yeah.
movie में सुनता हूँ तो from because I always go to Nagpur.
Mm-hmm.
My family is there.
Yeah, that's
So
fine. Whatever comes to your mind. Yeah.
yeah, Purple travels. If you see
yes.
more buses from Pune to Nagpur,
Mm-hmm.
very comfortable bus from Purple Travel. So I always like them. मेरा बेटा मेरा पेन ही लेके भाग जाता है. उनको हमेशा नोटबुक ढूंढना पड़ता है.
that's
ओके.
fine.
या.
1 second. No, 1 second.
या.
Okay. Now the last question. What does your favorite color make you think of?
What does your favorite color make
Make you
you?
think of. Hmm. So of course,
Oh,
first you'll tell me your favorite color and what it makes you think of.
okay. So my favorite color is white and yellow. Both are my favorite.
Yeah. Okay.
And make you think of.
Hmm.
Because like I say, uh, because when I was in my younger age,
Mm-hmm.
that time I
When I
never
was young,
thought.
you can say when I
when
was
when
young.
yeah,
Yeah.
when I was young, like in my 20s, I never thought of these color things. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, whenever I see this orange color, like Bhagwa, white, yellow, these colors,
Mm-hmm.
uh, always, I mean, I think, why not I go for those? I
Okay.
always try to wear white or
Mm-hmm.
yellow. So these days I started looking on that, and
Mhm.
that's why it becomes my favorite color.
Mhm.
And yeah, so two things. What the answer of this question, color make you think of. So the first, white is again politician. Yellow is again um, yellow is like again from it is good for me from mm, again it comes dharma there, पहनूंगा तो अच्छा ही होगा, या yellow is good for that. So in that terms,
Okay.
otherwise, and also
Just
one more thing.
just give me 1 minute. Huh? Just give me 1 minute. Sorry. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Really sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Tell me.
Yeah, so what I was saying, yeah, what color make you? Yeah, the third thing is
Mhm.
like uh, in office, if I have to wear the decent color or uni,
Okay.
so there like or agar if I'll go with brand wise
Mhm.
like Tommy Hilfiger or Calvin Klein, then this white, yellow, and red are
Yeah.
very good formal shirts, and I like
Correct.
them a lot. So that's why these are my favorite color.
Mhm.
Earlier it was not because I never thought of it,
Okay.
and when I started looking into it, then I'm just loving it. Yeah,
Okay. Great. Great. Now moving to the next part. Yeah. We have a conversation. I want you to quickly read this conversation. Then we are going to look at a grammar rule attached to it.
sure.
Okay. Read it loudly. Yeah.
Yeah. Sales clerk,
Mhm.
can I help you? Customer, yes, thank you. How much are these gloves? How much are these gloves? Sales
Gloves. Gloves.
gloves.
Mm.
Okay, gloves नहीं होगा क्या? Gloves. Okay.
Gloves. Yeah.
ये यहीं पे मिस्टेक होता है मेरा.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
everyone gets confused with these vowels because they have different sounds. Okay, we'll discuss that later. Yeah,
Okay. How much are these gloves? Sales clerk, the gray ones, they are $80.
they're $18. So the way we say rupees, पहले हम number बोलेंगे और फिर rupees बोलेंगे.
Okay, so they are $18,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Customer, oh, that's not bad. Do they come in black? Sales clerk, no, sorry, just gray. Customer, okay. Hmm, how much is that scarf? Sales clerk, which one? The blue and orange one? Customer, no, the yellow one. Sales clerk, let's see. It's $24.95. Customer,
Mm-hmm.
it's really pretty. I'll take it.
Okay, very good. Now the conversation is pretty easy. The way we go into a shop and talk to people, that's how it is. So basically, the sales clerk is asking, "Can I help you?" Then she says, "Yes, thank you." Usually we don't say thank you, but that's how it's supposed to be. How much are these gloves? So she has gloves in her hands. Okay, so she's saying how much are these gloves? वो दिखा रही है और बोल रही है. So he says the gray ones. Okay, then he tells the price. They are $18. शी सेज दैट्स नॉट बैड, मतलब बुरा नहीं है. सो डू दे कम इन ब्लैक, मतलब क्या ये ब्लैक में भी आते हैं? देन ही सेज नो सॉरी, जस्ट ग्रे. देन शी आस्क हाउ मच इज दैट स्कार्फ. नो, स्कार्फ उसके हाथ में नहीं है, स्कार्फ पीछे है. इफ यू कैन सी,
Right.
here are the pictures. Okay, the way I
Right.
said, usually when we talk about clothes we take the name of the color, okay, and we see. So here also they are talking with color. So he asks which one, kaun sa wala, the blue and orange one? So she says no, the yellow one. Okay, then वो price देखता है and then he says is $24.95. So she says it's pretty, I will take it, मतलब मैं वो लूँगी. Okay, now the conversation is pretty easy, but in this conversation particularly we learn how to use one and ones. ओके, जो आपने देखा होगा, विच वन, द ग्रे वंस, करेक्ट, ऐसे करके. तो उसको कैसे यूज़ करना है? एंड दिस दैट दोज, द वे दे आर यूजिंग दिस दैट दोज, that's what we are going to learn how to use them. It sounds very easy when we look at it as a topic, but trust me, many people use it incorrectly while speaking.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So let's listen to the same conversation first, then we'll listen to the rest of the conversation and discuss the grammar rule. Yeah.
Unit 3. How much is it? Page 16, Exercise 2, Conversation. It's really pretty. Part A. Listen and practice.
Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves?
The gray ones? They're $18.
Oh, that's not bad. Do they come in black?
No, sorry, just gray.
Okay. How much is that scarf?
Which one? The blue and orange one?
No, the yellow one.
Let's see. It's $24.95.
It's really pretty. I'll take it.
Okay, now we'll listen to the next part of the conversation. Here you have to focus on the question, what else does the customer look at, मतलब वो और क्या देखते हैं, and does she buy it, वो खरीदती है कि नहीं खरीदती है. Okay,
Page 16, Exercise 2, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What else does the customer look at? Does she buy it?
We have some nice hats over here.
Oh, yeah? I need a new hat.
They're on sale today only.
Oh, they are nice. This red one is pretty. How much is it?
It's $26.50.
I don't think so. Thanks anyway.
okay. So what else does the customer look at and does she buy it?
No, she doesn't buy it,
Mm-hmm.
and she is looking for hats.
She looks at hats. Okay, ing अभी तक नहीं यूज़ करेंगे हम कहीं पर भी, या ing फिफ्थ यूनिट में ही यूज़ करेंगे हम सिर्फ, एंड वो हम देखेंगे
Okay.
तभी कैसे यूज़ करना है.
बट ये सेंटेंस मैंने सही बोला ना, मतलब शी इज लुकिंग फॉर, या
इनकरेक्ट है. शी लुक्स एट हैट्स. ओके, मतलब शी चेक्स आउट हैट्स और शी लुक्स एट हैट्स एंड शी डजंट बाय इट. वो करेक्ट था, शी डजंट बाय इट, बट
Okay.
शी इज लुकिंग फॉर हैट, मतलब वो हैट देख रही है, हैट ढूंढ रही है, ऐसा हो जाता है वो.
ओके, और यहाँ पे हो गया कि वो
देख रही है.
ओके.
ओके, ढूंढ नहीं रही है, देख रही है, मतलब उसे देखा.
हम्म.
ठीक है. नाउ as I said, in this particular conversation we look at how to use the demonstrative. Demonstratives क्या होते हैं? The words we use to demonstrate. For example, if I say look at this screen, so ये screen देखो, right? So this screen, so I'm pointing out at the screen and I'm saying this screen. Same way I can say look at that laptop or look at that television, correct? So we are demonstrating, we are pointing out, and we are saying okay, look at this or look at that. Now the words which we use as demonstratives in particular over here are this, that, those and these. Okay, ये चार words हमारे important है, and after that we look at one and ones, how to use them. Now this and these are used for things that are closer to us, okay, which is near us. For example, you are sitting near a laptop, so you will say this laptop. Okay, now this, the word this is used for singular objects, and the word these is used for plural objects. Okay, so I will say this pen and these pens, so even the noun becomes plural over here. Clear? That and those are used for far away objects. Now you're sitting away from your television, say, example, so I will say that TV. Okay, and those books. Clear? So again, we are using it for objects which are further away from us, and singular we will use that, and plural we will use those. Now here we don't get confused, we get confused with these two. Okay, and this is where we make mistake. Now even the pronunciation changes. Okay, this laptop and these books. अभी and sir का हम pronunciation कल थोड़ा हम go through करेंगे because that becomes important over here. Yeah. Next we have one and ones. One and ones are used as pronouns over here. Here we are not talking about the number. 1 2 3 वाला number नहीं बोल रहे हम. ओके हम वन
Right.
एंड वंस एज अ प्रोनाउन देख रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हम हिंदी में भी बात करते तो हम बोलते हैं ना कौन सा वाला, ये वाला, वो वाला. करेक्ट. तो वैसे
Correct.
वाला ये वन एंड वंस है. या फॉर एग्जांपल इंस्टेड ऑफ रिपीटिंग द नाउन अगेन एंड अगेन आई कैन से दिस वन एंड दैट वन. Okay, for example if I say look at the screen, you can ask me which one. This one. कौन सा वाला, ये वाला. Okay, when you have many objects, of course. If I say look at the book, so you might just ask which one. So I will say the notebook or this one. If I'm in front of you, I'll point out and I'll say this one. Correct. So instead of repeating the noun again and again, we use the words one and ones. Now one is used for singular object. Ones, the pronunciation also ones, z वाला pronunciation है. ठीक है. Ones we use for plural objects. I will say these phones are better, so you will say which ones. I will say the Apple ones. Example. Okay, so ones. अभी वो ones वो दूसरा अलग है. ONCE वाला ones जो है वो एक बार दो बार वाला
Yes.
ones है. ठीक है. ये ones है. So example, can you show me that book? Which one? That one. Okay, or the blue one. I can use the reference of color also over here. Can you show me those books? Which ones? Those ones. Okay, that's how we can use it. Clear? Easy for you, right? Now let's look at the examples. How much is this scarf? Which one? The yellow one. It is $24.95. How much are these gloves? और how much are those gloves? दोनों भी यूज कर सकते हैं depending on the situation. How much are these gloves? Which ones? The grey ones. They are $18. अभी gloves जो है वो प्लूरल क्यों है वो भी हम देखते हैं. Now there are some nouns which are used in plural form always. ओके अगर वो एक भी रहा ना तो भी हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही उनको यूज़ करते हैं. तो ऐसी कैटेगरी में कौन से नाउन्स आते हैं? फर्स्ट आर दी आर्टिकल्स ऑफ ड्रेस दैट वी वेयर. जो भी हम हमारे बॉटम में पहनते हैं ओके वो हमेशा हम प्लूरल में ही रेफर करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी विल नॉट से ट्राउजर, वी विल से ट्राउजर्स. ऑलवेज दे विल ऑलवेज बी यूज इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. अगर एक भी ट्राउजर है तो भी हम ट्राउजर्स ही बोलेंगे. ओके शॉर्ट्स ही बोलेंगे, डेनिम्स ही बोलेंगे, jeans ही बोलेंगे. even if it's just one jeans that we are talking about, we'll still use it in plural form always. okay skirt plural form में नहीं आएगा, skirt singular में ही रहेगा. pants को हम plural form में क्यों यूज करें? बिकॉज उसके टू पार्ट्स रहते हैं ना, उस वजह से. ठीक है. सेम वे इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉक्स, सॉक्स की भी जोड़ी रहती है ना, so we will use socks, we will not say sock. same way gloves, gloves भी हमेशा जोड़ी में रहते हैं, so we will say gloves. so when we use them in plural form, the words that we use with them will also become plural. so we will say these socks. okay which ones? those ones. वैसे करके वो चेंज होगा. ठीक है. रिमेंबर दैट. सेम वे व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स सच एज सिजर्स, जैसे मैंने बताया सिजर्स के भी दो पार्ट्स रहते हैं. करेक्ट. सेम वे व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्पेक्टिकल्स, स्पेक्स जो हमारे रहते हैं, सन ग्लासेस, दीज वर्ड्स आर ऑलवेज यूज इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. अगर एक भी रहा फिर भी हम उसको सन ग्लासेस ही बोलेंगे. सो सेम वे यहाँ पर अगर ये वर्ड्स हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो इनके साथ में जो बाकी के वर्ड्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं जैसे कि दीज हो गया, वंस हो गया, ये भी हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही यूज़ करेंगे. इसीलिए इट नहीं आएगा, दे आएगा. ओके इसीलिए इज नहीं आएगा, आर आएगा. because plural वाला rule आता है. So that is the reason when we are talking about gloves over here, though it's one pair of gloves, we'll still say which ones, the gray ones. They are $18. Okay. So सारे words उनके साथ में जो है वो प्लूरल फॉर्म के ही यूज होंगे, कोई भी वर्ड सिंगुलर फॉर्म के नहीं यूज होंगे. क्लियर?
Clear.
Little complex, little odd, because this is something that we don't follow generally and it's a very common mistake that we do. ओके जैसे कि हम सिजर भी सिजर बोल देते हैं, वेयर इज द सिजर, तो इट्स इनकरेक्ट, वेयर आर द सिजर्स. ओके, वेयर इज माई स्पेक्स, नो, वेयर आर माई स्पेक्स, दे आर ऑन द टेबल. Okay, or I can ask which ones, so you can say the black ones, they are on the table. That's how I will say it, even if it's just one specs जो आप रोज पहनते हो still. Okay.
Right.
Okay, now quickly write down the rule, then we'll solve the exercise.
Okay.
बोला ना मैंने, बहुत easy rule लगता है but बहुत complex है when we look at it very integratedly.
मैम यहाँ पे सिंगुलर के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट सही है या सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट होगा?
सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट.
हाँ, यहाँ एस लिखा है ना, इसीलिए
सिंगुलर
मैं.
ऑब्जेक्ट्स, सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ में मतलब कोई भी चीज हो ना, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो सकता है ना, तो
ओके,
सिंगुलर.
तो वो
हाँ
ऑब्जेक्ट ही रहेगा.
हाँ
ठीक है,
हाँ.
आई एम डन. दिस पेज डन.
ओके नेक्स्ट.
ओके. Done.
Okay, last.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, now quickly try doing this exercise. Now again observe, this is the sales clerk, this is the sales clerk. Use this and these properly. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Done, ma'am. Should I start?
Yeah, please tell me.
Okay. So A1,
Hmm.
excuse me, how much are those jeans?
Hmm.
Which ones?
Hmm.
Do you mean blue ones?
Do
No.
you mean these? Do you mean these?
Okay, do you mean these?
Hmm.
Okay, I thought, do you mean these? Okay. Okay, do you mean these?
Hmm.
No, the light blue ones.
Hmm.
Oh, those are 59.95 dollar.
They are. They are.
Wow, that's expensive. Now the second part, second question.
Mm-hmm.
How much is this backpack?
Mm-hmm.
Which
The
one?
customer is asking na, and the sales clerk is standing
Customer,
here.
right?
So that वो दूर है.
Okay, how much is
That backpack.
that bag? Right, right. How much is that backpack? Which one?
Hmm.
The red one.
Hmm.
It's $36.99, but
This green one.
this green one is only 22.25 dollar.
Mm-hmm.
That's not bad. Can I see it, please?
Very good. Okay. Now for today we stop over here for homework. You will try to make more sentences with these, those, one and ones. Okay. और थोड़ा सा आप रियल लाइफ में भी उसको यूज़ करने का ट्राई करोगे. वन एंड वन स्पेशली दीज दैट तो हम यूज़ करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, बट वन एंड वंस थोड़ा सा आप ट्राई करो कि नाउन वापस वापस आप रिपीट ना करो एंड यूज़ वन एंड वंस इंस्टेड. एंड वंस है वो वंस. स का नहीं प्रोनाउंसिएशन, का प्रोनाउंसिएशन
ये
आएगा.
आप जैसे बोले कि
हम्म.
ए का हाउ मच इज, मैंने बोला दिस, राइट? आपने बोला दैट. सो
हाँ, बिकॉज वो पास में नहीं है ना, वो दूर है ना. बीच में ये है ना, ये देखो ना. टेबल है
हाँ,
ना बीच में.
ओके ओके, हाउ मच इज दैट? ओके, ठीक है.
हम्म. वो
ठीक.
कितने का है ये नहीं,
मैंने
वो
हाउ
नहीं
मच
जाएगा.
इज दिस बोला, मतलब
हाँ,
मेरे को लगा ये
ये.
पास में है, कस्टमर के पास में है कि ये कितने का है.
हाँ नहीं, वो
ऐसा.
कितने का है.
ओके ओके, ठीक है.
ये कब बोलेंगे हम, जब अपन टच कर सकते हैं
ओके,
उसको. ओके.
और जो ग्रीन है वो ज्यादा पास है.
वो सेल्स क्लर्क बोलिए ना, सेल्स क्लर्क उस साइड में खड़ी है तो उसके पास में है.
हाँ.
तो
ओके
थोड़ा
ओके,
से
दिस.
सब कंफ्यूज होते हैं
राइट
क्योंकि
राइट
ये थोड़ा
राइट.
3D
गॉट
इमेज
इट.
है ना, तो समझ में नहीं आता है. 2D इमेज है,
हम्म.
आई मीन सॉरी. तो उस वजह से समझ में नहीं आता है. तो ये टेबल थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करता है कि कौन से साइड पे आप हो करके. ठीक है. हाँ. तो अगर हम टच कर सकते हैं कोई चीज़ तो हम दिस एंड दीज यूज़ करेंगे. अगर टच के फर्दर अवे है तो दीज दैट एंड दोज यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है. क्लियर.
क्लियर.
So for homework, try making the sentences on your own. Okay? Yeah.
ओके.
We'll stop over here. We'll continue tomorrow. Practice. Yeah?
ओके.
Chalo. Bye bye.
बाय.
Yeah.